There is an interest rate battle going on between banks and trading platforms. And this is good for us because a better interest rate for our deposit means a better chance to beat inflation. A leading player who is currently offering such an extraordinary interest rate in the European region is the online broker Trade Republic. So in this video, let's look into this platform in detail so that you can also ride the high interest wave and make the most out of your money. Let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Srijit, and on this channel, we talk all about wealth and happiness. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on the internet sharing my experiences. So please do your research before you act on any of the things I say here. Trade Republic was founded in 2015 in Munich and is now one of the most popular online brokers in Europe. They belong to the neo-broker category, meaning they offer a modern and fresh vibe in comparison to older brokers and are particularly popular with the young and cost-conscious investors. The costs are low because of their extremely lean cost structure with no branch network and relatively few employees. This means that even beginners can use this platform to start investing in assets at a very low cost. But then, not all can open an account with Trade Republic. To open an account with Trade Republic, you must be a tax resident in one of the countries in the European Union where Trade Republic services are offered. You should also be at least 18 years old and have a European mobile phone number and a checking account in the SEPA region. Once all these checkboxes are ticked, opening an account is really quick. You download the Trade Republic app that guides you through the 5 easy steps. You start by creating a user account with your mobile number. An SMS with a 4-digit code will be sent as a final confirmation. You enter the code on the app, complete a short legal survey on your previous experience with trading securities, and in the next step, you enter your personal information and link your current checking account. Once this data has been entered and verified, your identity will be confirmed after successful verification and your account is ready to use. But then, what makes opening an account with Trade Republic worthwhile? The young broker has several advantages for both beginners and experienced investors, and the most attractive one is the 4% interest rate. At the time of this video, Trade Republic offers a 4% interest rate on your uninvested cash up to a limit of 50,000 euros. Now, this is extraordinary because most established banks currently pay around 1 or 2% interest on existing customer balances. I had my emergency fund in a Tagesgeld account with Comdirect, and that was giving me an interest rate of 0.75%. So I was always in search of something better. And considering how easy it was to open and set up an account with Trade Republic, I've moved all my emergency savings to Trade Republic. Another good thing is that the rate is calculated in real time and is paid monthly. So you can earn interest on your interest. But you need to activate this option in the app first. To do that, open the app, go to the cash tab, and enable the switch to activate the 4% interest rate. But then, is your money really safe there? Trade Republic does not have its own deposit business, which means that your clearing account is held at 4 partner banks: Solaris, Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan, and Citibank Europe. You can see in which of the 4 banks your money is deposited by tapping on your profile in the top left corner of the mobile app and checking the BIC code. Now, all 4 banks are members of a statutory deposit protection fund. So your balance in the clearing account is protected up to 100,000 euros in the event of a bank bankruptcy. Other than the interest from your deposits, there are other ways to save more with the Trade Republic account. If you wish, you can apply for a free cashback Visa debit card from Trade Republic. For every purchase, 1% of the total is credited to a savings plan limited to a maximum of 15 euros per month. And to activate the cashback, you need to have a depot with Trade Republic, run a savings plan with at least 50 euros per month, and have money in your clearing account. And with the card, you can withdraw money from ATMs worldwide with the Visa logo for free. The card comes in 3 versions: a card with a mirrored surface for an additional payment of 50 euros, a classic card for an additional payment of 5 euros, and a free virtual card. There is currently a waiting list to get the card. So if you are interested, you can register in advance and get a place on the list. But whatever we discussed above are only additional perks and not the main use of having a Trade Republic account. Trade Republic is primarily an online broker, so you can invest in over 9,500 stocks and ETFs as well as different cryptocurrencies. They also offer a wide selection of savings plans free of charge. However, if you want to trade individual equities directly without a savings plan, you'll be charged a flat rate of €1 per trade. There is no minimum volume, so even people with little experience or low income can start investing money. The platform itself and the app are designed in a way to make trading as easy and accessible as possible for everyone. And you will also receive an annual tax certificate once a year free of charge. Although there are a lot of benefits, there are certain aspects where there is still room for some improvement. An important one is related to the 4% interest rate. These rates are not guaranteed forever, but rely directly on rates set by the European Central Bank or the ECB. If the ECB changes rates, Trade Republic can change the interest rates the next day. Not that it will happen for sure, but it's more likely. Now, the money in your cash account is primarily intended as a holding account to trade securities. Since there is a €1 fee for each trade, if you are someone who does a lot of trading, then it could end up costing you more money in fees compared to a broker such as Scalable Capital, which offers a subscription plan and no individual trading fees. Another drawback is with the customer support. So, to keep the operating costs low, they do not offer chat, branch or phone support for customers. They do have a 24-hour service, but it's only accessible by email, fax, post or through a contact form. So if something goes wrong, then you need to wait a while to get some help. Is Trade Republic the best option for everyone? Maybe not, but they offer a wide range of perks and benefits that are really worth considering. I've now moved my entire emergency fund to Trade Republic and earned €20 in interest in the last 2 months. I used that interest to set up a savings plan to buy the S&P 500 ETF. It's not much yet, but I love the idea of buying something with money that I didn't work for, which in turn generates money that I can use to continue doing exactly that. If you found this video useful, give it a like so that the message can reach more people. I would highly appreciate it if you could use the referral link in the description below if you wish to open an account with Trade Republic. You will get a welcome bonus and this will support me and the work I do here. Until I see you with another video, have a wonderful rest of the day and adios.